Today, we're making something warm, wholesome, and full of vibrant flavor. Banana, oat, and coconut bread. It's soft, cozy, and just sweet enough. Let's get baking.
My name is Carlisa Andrews. I'm just taking you through the process of how you make my signature banana, oat, and coconut bread. You start by with the grated coconut. You peel the banana, and I use the food processor. I use the hand mixer to mix up the banana, which instead of the food masher, which would give it a better texture and will mash it properly. I use the hand mixer to mix the banana, the coconut, and the sugar and the butter together. I mix it for about 7 minutes. Then I add the oats. After adding the oats, I beat it for about 3 minutes. Then I add the essence and the nutmeg and cinnamon, whatever spices that you choose to put in it. And then I add a little flour to give it a body. And I add baking soda and a little baking powder to balance it. Mix it all together and put it in the oven to bake for about 45 minutes. And then you will see the finishing product. Texture. See? If the banana was riper, it would be this color. Yeah, change the color.
Special thanks to Carlita. Thank you for sharing this with not only me, but with my YouTube. Until next time.